Hey everyone, Extreme Crypto here. So what have I been up to? What have I been doing? Why does this chart look so strange? What is happening in it? Well, I've been working. I've been trading. I've been seeing profits. I've been bringing you all gains. A lot of things I'm doing, most of them. If you do them correctly, you'll see profits over the long run. But today, I'm bringing you the Extreme Trader indicator. The indicator gives you possible turnarounds in the market. A green bar through the screen is an opportunity of the market going bullish. A red bar through the middle of the screen is an indication of the market turning bearish. It might be short term, it might be long term. It all depends on the markets. You can use this indicator for different ways. You can use it as an indication when to look at the market and do your own analysis. Or you can trade on it directly. When it gives you a buy and confirms on the close of a candle, you can buy. When it gives you a sell on the close of a candle, you can sell. Here's an example on Bitcoin USDT. It gave us a buy on the close of the candle. We got in on the white line. I put in 3 different take profits. It reached the first take profit pretty easily. I then moved my stop loss up to break even. And unfortunately on this trade, the market came back down and triggered my break even, meaning a third of my trade banked profits. If I didn't move my stop loss, we would have hit in take profit 2 and gotten close to take profit 3. But my saying is, profit in the wallet is profit banked. That's the main thing. If you haven't gotten your profit in your wallet, you don't have profit at all. So this indicator, we're still playing around. I'm showing it more and more on my live streams. So if you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you can see it. And from the 1st of August, I'll give people the opportunity to use it and test it as well. We're going to have a look at the sell option we had earlier today. This was a sell option we had on Near Protocol. The market went up. We got our sell when the candle closed. We got in and we only did 2 take profits. If we did the third one, we would have eaten that profit as well. It's a pretty unique indicator. Yes, there's gonna be times where it doesn't give the correct signals because we never know what's gonna happen in the market. Here's a good example. It gives us a buy signal. The market went up a little bit more, came down, went up, and then only went down. So the possibilities are there. And as we all know, trading is risky. But this is a unique indicator. It's been working for me. I'm leverage trading a little bit with it, as well as Forex trading. My Forex account for this week, just using this indicator, is up 5%. Now I can't complain. I wasn't in every single trade, but it's making it unique. Make sure to tune in, have a look at it, because this might work for you as well. It's working for me. It doesn't always work for everyone, but at least we're creating an opportunity. Ask questions in the live chat. Let me know what your thoughts. Let me know what you're thinking. It's a bunch of different indicators built into one to give us this unique indication. We saw our buy option on Bitcoin, and we saw our sell option on the Near Protocol. Different opportunities. Will it be profitable? It all depends on how everyone structure it. There's a lot of indicators out there. Some might work, some might not. So far, this one is working with me without a doubt. So make sure, if you haven't yet, smash that like and subscribe button, and let's make some crypto gains together. Have a great one. Take care.